Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Now I am back with another video lecture and we are going to continue from where we have left so far. So in previous lecture we were studying regarding the properties of vector product. Now some we have already studied, and some we are going to study in today's lecture. Now the first one says that I cross I is 0, means to say that unit vector I cross product of it with itself or with another I unit vector is 0. Why it is so? Why is it so? It is because whenever there is same vectors, that means there is 0 angle and sine 0 is 0, or you can say that vectors are parallel. I am repeating myself that whenever there are same unit vectors having cross product of each other, whenever there is cross product of two same unit vectors, that means the vectors are parallel, hence having angle 0 and sine 0, we already know that is 0. So j cross j is 0 and k cross k is also 0. Now the second one says that I cross j is equal to k. You already know that whenever there is vector product of two vectors, let's suppose this is along x-axis and the second one is along y-axis. Y-axis. This is j unit vector, this is I, and as a result, when there is a vector product of two vectors, as a result we got another vector that is called resultant vector, and that is along z-axis and having unit vector k. Similarly, if there is j cross k, then the resultant vector will be I, and if there is k cross I, then the resultant will be a new vector, that is j unit vector. Now the third one says j cross I is equal to minus k. Now I'm going to explain this in detail again. Now keep in mind, whenever the order of vectors gets changed, like there is I cross j, now there is j cross I, at that time the sign of resultant vector becomes negative, and hence we have already studied that vector product or cross product does not obey commutative law. We have already studied this in previous lecture. If you have not seen that video, kindly go through my videos and you will find the lecture for commutative law and when and why this negative signs come, that is in detail. Now similarly, k cross j is equal to minus I. You can see that we have changed the order. Now the third one is I cross k is equal to minus j, and same reason that the order of unit vector gets changed, hence the direction of the resultant vector gets changed, that is why the negative signs comes over here. Now the last one, if if vector a is a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Don't get confused with whatever it is written with. The vector a is written with the number of vectors that are here, like a1, a2, a3, and along with its unit vectors I, j, and k. And the vector b is also written with the same, like its number of vectors and its unit vectors I, j, and k. How we are supposed to find the cross product or vector product? We are supposed to write it in matrices form, like this. First write unit vectors I, j, k, then the number of vectors of first one and the number of vectors of second vector. How we are supposed to solve it? We will learn it in the later video. I hope you all understand the properties of vector product. If you have any query regarding the vector product, or if you want me to make a video for any topic, any particular topic that you want me like except scalar or vectors, or from any chapter of physics, you could ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching it. Please do like and share the video and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Allah Hafiz, till then next video.